Since start. Okay, first thing, expand the following. What's the meaning of that word? It means that we get rid of the brackets. All right, so we need to draw lines. So first thing here, x squared plus 3x. Okay, so x squared plus 3x, this is the very basic one, right? Everyone should know this by now, because when you draw the lines like this, so the implication here is that we do a multiply, right? A multiply. X multiplied by x is x squared, and x multiplied by positive 3 is positive 3x, right? Similar here, we draw lines, right? So x times x is x squared, x times negative x is negative x, x times negative 1 is negative x, positive 2 times x is positive 2x, and then we have positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Alright, for the final step is to collect the like terms. The like terms here are, we have what I have here, x squared. There's only one x squared, so we keep that. Next one, we have a positive x and a negative x and a positive 2x. So that become, see, we put that negative 1 plus 2 equal 1, right? So plus 1x minus 2. Or we can write x squared plus x negative 2. That will be the final answer. Factorize. How do we do this? So you should have this formula in your treasure, right? There is this formula: a squared minus b squared equal a minus b times a plus b. Remember that formula? That's one of the things. I don't know where is it, but like it's one formula. So what I have here is x squared minus 100 is just 10 squared, so we write 10 squared, and then we got x minus 10 times x plus 10. Alright, don't forget the equal sign. Similar here, but we have an extra number before x squared, so we need to collect it out first. We need to take 3 out of the bracket, and inside is x squared minus 25. So now we have 3 times x squared minus 25 is 5 squared, and 3 times x minus 5 x plus 5. Go for understanding right now, right? And you can try to copy solution like later on when you get home. So if you have question at any point, you can try asking me as well, because if you just like copy down the solution without understanding, I don't think you can do the question at all in test. So for this one, factorize this one, we need to think about the first number and the second number, right? Remember this part? The first number is a sum of two numbers, and the second number is the multiplication result of those two numbers, right? So plus 5 is plus 2 and plus 3, right? And 6 is 2 times 3. So we can write this expression equal x plus 2 times x plus 3. We done this a lot already, right? Next one, also similar. We got negative 1 here and negative 6 here. So just by, I don't know, thinking, guessing, experimenting, we can find out that -1 is positive 2 and -3. Alright, positive 2 times -3 is also equal -6. So our answer is x plus 2 and x minus 3. Again, just a very basic one. We have done that a lot of times. Next one, solve this quadratics, give answer in third form. Alright, again we would have a formula for this one. So the answer is simply plus and minus square root of this number, square root of 16, and that is also equal plus and minus 4. For this one, there's an extra number 3 here, so we need to get rid of that extra number 3. How do we do that? We divide both sides by 3. So we have x squared equal 5 over 3, and x squared, x equal plus and minus 5 over 3. Alright, known factors law. So each of these factors need to be equals 0. So we write x equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. So x equals 0 is one of the result, one of the answer. Alright, so we simply need to solve for x in this next case here. So this one we can see that x equals -5. So we circle our answer, right? Similar on this one, we have 2x minus 1 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. Plus 1 both sides, we got 2x equal 1, so x would equal 1/2. And then we get x equal -4. I hope that is pretty clear. Okay, next one. This one. So in order to solve this quadratics, we need to factorize them first. So put them in bracket first. We can't simply solve it like this. So we need to put them in bracket by, again, find the numbers that add together to become 5 here. So that is plus 2 and plus 3. So we got x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. And then got x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. So we got x equal -2 or x equal -3. Okay, that's our two answer. Circle them. Okay, for the next one, a little bit trickier. There is a number 3 next to x, so we simply need to take them outside bracket. X squared minus 3x. Right, you see that? We take 3 from both of these. So we divide by 9 divided by 3 become 3 here. Equals 0s. Actually, this one can be done in a better way. All right. So let's take a look at the common factors here. So the common factor here is actually 3x. is 3 and x as well, because 3x squared is 3 times x, right? Negative 9 is negative 3 times x. So we can just take the 3x outside the bracket actually. So 3x times x minus 3, okay, equals 0. So our answer is x equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals 3. Unclear? Okay, let's take a look at some of the word problem here. Rectangles. Okay, let's just draw a rectangle. So the rectangle is 72 meters square, and we have length is 6 meters more than width. So we say width is W and length is W plus 6, alright? So they ask you to find the width and length. So we have areas of the rectangle equal width times length equal width times width plus 6 equals 72. So we have, how do we solve this? Just expand the brackets for start. Width times width square, and then 6 width plus 6 width equals 72, right? So width square plus 6 width minus 72 equals 0. Tricky. Now we need to find which number add together becomes positive 6 and times together to become negative 72. That'll be 12 or something. We know that 72 is 8 times 9, so that could be, is that 12 and what? 12 and 4? No? 12 and 8? Sorry? 12 and negative 6. Yeah. So it's a positive 12 and negative 6. Okay, so let's make it over here. Let's write it over here. Width square plus 6 width minus 72 equals 0. So we got width plus 12 times width minus 6 equals 0, right? So width plus 12 equals 0, or width plus minus 6 equals 0. So width equals negative 12 or width equals 6. So we say this one is not the solution because it's going to negative. So this is our real solution, right? So we got width equals 6 and length equals 6 plus 6, that be 12. Clear? Okay. Let's take a look at number 5 here. A square hut, side length of 5 meters. So they're talking about the one inside here, right? That is a square hut with length of 5 meters on each side, to be surrounded with a veranda. What is that? Some kind of fence of width x meters. That's kind of like the width of, what is that? It's like pavement or something. Yeah? It's not fence. Find the width of the veranda. if its area is to be 24 meters. Tricky. So they ask you to find this measurement from here to here with the knowledge that the area of the veranda, which means that's the thing that outside, the outside thing here, to be 20 meters square. How do this one? So first we have the areas of the hut. Area hut to be 5 times 5, that will be 25 meters square. The area of the whole thing, area total, that will be what? 25 plus 24, and we got 49 meters square. See that? Because we add the areas of the hut inside with the areas of the veranda here. Add them together, we have the area of the whole thing to be 49 meters square. So which means the whole square here, the bigger square here, has an area of 49 meters square. So from these areas of the whole thing, we can say that the side length from here to here is actually 7, because 7 times 7 is 49, right? We can say that side square equal 49, so side equal 7, alright, 7 meters. So when we got the side equal 7 meters, we can just say that x equal 7 minus 5. We take 7, we minus this one, and we can say 2x equals 7 minus 5, right? So 2x equal 2 meters, so x equal 1 meters. That make sense? Alright, stop recording.